Hi guys, I just wanted to quickly run you through a automation that I've been refining, and I've got it down to 3 steps basically. So what this does is it creates a content brief based on whenever something goes into a Notion database, it pings this every 15 minutes or whatever I schedule it to check. And if there's anything new in there, it will send it to ChatGPT with this particular prompt in there. So, basically, I've got it saying with the title of the article and the focus keyword being this, then please create a content brief which includes a content purpose, the key customer problems and desired outcomes, the framing keywords to be used throughout the article, suggested sources of additional research, etc., etc. These should be Australian unless you're not in Australia, and then obviously you would tailor that to specifically to you, and then create an outline. From there, I've asked it to assume a particular role, which for this particular client is an Australian family law specialist, adding the tone of voice in here, giving it specifications, so incorporate keywords, related keywords and LSI keywords. LSI keywords I'm not going to go into. You can go and have a look at what they are on my website. Or you can ask and I will answer it. Anyway, moving on. So I've got please use Australian English for spelling and grammar. Relevance, ensure that the content outline is up to date. The outline should encompass the entire topic, ensuring no significant area is left untouched. Include a minimum of 20 headings and subheadings. You can adapt this to your own needs. Use the following format: H1 for the blog title, H2, 3, and 4 for other headings and subheadings. And then we want to avoid numbering the headings, self-referencing, describing the task, and then please do not end with in conclusion after each section. The article flow should be commence with an introduction, should have key takeaways, it should conclude, ensure there's new line space between headings. This is me trying to tidy this up, which I'll show you shortly. And then please structure the results as such so that it looks nice and tidy in the document. So I've got some HTML in here, which if you just follow this format exactly, it will come out exactly as it is. So I've got the article, the content purpose, the content customer problems and desired outcomes, and then over here I've just pulled all of that in. So the name is the name, and the content is what this is spitting out, and then it comes up with this nice, nicely formatted document. So then I can send that off to our writers, and they can write the article quite easily. Or in your case, if you've got writers, you can send it off to writers. If you are a writer, then you would write this. So basically we've got a couple of things that I've got to fix in here, but it's basically pulled in the content purpose, the customer problems, the framing keywords, sources as well, which it's put so that UL part in here where I've asked it to, I've got this with UL in there. It basically just says unordered list, so it's put this into a list, put this into a list, and then we've got the outline, which I'm trying to get it so that it will put spacing in here, as you can see down here. Please create a new line between these, but it hasn't. So I mean, it's not a deal breaker for this. It's just a matter of entering in these things. But I'll be keeping on. I'll be working on this to get this working a lot better. But yeah, I just wanted to share that with you guys. So yeah, all of these prompts are available in the course, so you can jump over into the content marketing course if you have access to it. If you don't, then you're welcome to purchase it. You'll get access to all of these prompts. All right, yeah, that's it. Thanks.